It's September 2025, I can't believe it. That means it's time to take a look at the market data. That's inventory, days on market, and sales price for those three coastal cities that we track, Coronado, Newport Coast, and Newport Beach, and see what the trends are telling us for the final quarter of 2025.
I'm Kiwi of the coast, the agent with the most.
Helping you max and sell the value of your coastal home. Right, let's dive into that data. New listings, the lifeblood of any market. Last month, 72. Was it up or down for August? Folks, it's not getting easier because it was down to 60 new single family homes coming on the market. Now, a year ago, if you look back, it was 78. So we've dropped off quite substantially with those new homes coming to feed our strapped and inventory low marketplace. Before we look at the number of closings though, it was good to look and see what is transacting. Last month, 47. That was pretty healthy. What is it this month? Let's take a peek. Ouch. 35 transacting. It's dropped off. Now, part of this is the holidays because we've got, October, November, December around the corner, and there's always a bit of a slow period after the holidays. But 35, that is a pretty slow number. Now, actual sales, well, 38 closings. That means those homes recorded in the prior month, 38. What was it for the month of August? 52. Now, wait a minute. Sales are down, sales are up. What's going on? Well, these are the closings. Remember, these homes were transacting 60 to 45 days ago in the marketplace, and now they're showing up as closed inventory. Let's take a peek, see what it was a year ago, 49. So that's a lift, and hopefully that trend keeps continuing in spite of the low inventory on the market. Days on market, well, that's perking up a little bit. 52 last month, dropping to 45. So a month and a half to get your home sold. Of course, in those three coastal cities, homes less than 5 million, they're trading fast. And so that's part of the reason these average days on market numbers are trending down. Active listings, well, 327. That was a pretty good number because a year ago it was in the 200s. So that's encouraging. But did it go up or down for the month of August? Let's take a peek. 319. So it dropped slightly. Part of it is homes coming off the market, and of course those homes being sold. But we need more inventory to boost those listings so that there's a big buyer pool for, or a big home pool for buyers to look at and shop from. Now, over the summer, the average listing price last month, 7.4 million. Did it drop for the month of August? Well, yes, it did. Into the sixes, 6.3, I'm cheating to be exact. Now, what was it a year ago? It was about 6.8. So that average list price is coming down. What does that mean? Well, it means there are more lower priced listings on the market to help balance out those high priced homes that have been sitting for a while. Average sales price, boy, that's always interesting because there's always a big discrepancy, isn't there, along the coast between average list and average sales. We've talked about that. Last month, 5.4 million average sales price. Dropped in August to 5.2 and change. Big number for single family. That's the average sold price. And the reason it's gone down is those lower priced homes in the threes and in the $4 million range, they've been selling way ahead of the others. Now, a year ago, it was 4.8. So we've seen some changes. It's coming down, and that's good news. Those buyers, you keep looking at those lower priced homes and keep snaffling them up. The real estate market, we know it's constantly changing. So click on the video that's on your screen right now so that I can keep you up to date with interest rates, inventory, sales price, days on market, all those factors affecting you in the real estate market. And we'll see you on the next one. The Room.